Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to learn how we can launch our meme coin on Pump.Fun. So recently Pump.Fun introduced two huge changes to their Pump.Fun mechanism. Before we had to pay almost $2 or 0.02 Solanas to launch a meme coin. But now it's actually free and you can actually make 0.5 Sol, almost $80 when your coin actually migrates to Radium. And let's see how we can launch a meme coin on Pump.Fun without using a single penny. And let's see what are the main things we need to launch a meme coin. So let's head to the Pump.Fun website. You can see the website. It's super simple. These are some coins that these are some big market cap coins that were launched on Pump.Fun, and they're like big community tokens. Let me show you. So whenever you go to Pump.Fun website, you can see there's an option to start new coin. You have to click there. You're gonna have let's see, name of the coin is USA. The ticker is USA. Let's see let's just put superpower. Okay, so these are some important things that you have to keep in mind if you are planning to launch a meme coin, and that is that you need to have an image, you need to have some social media links where people can come and vet your coin. If you don't have anything, there's a chance, like very high chances of people not buying your coin. So these are very important. So let's go to Twitter and let's just see if we have something with USA. Let's just search it. If there is already a coin on USA, so we can literally just for learning purposes we can just put that. Let's just say we put this link here, and the Twitter link is here. We don't have Telegram, so we can just say USA. Whatever the website we get is. So let's just put the Wikipedia link here. It's not gonna work, but I'm just showing you guys so you guys know how you can actually make a meme coin on Pump.Fun and be a developer of the coin. So yeah, we need a picture. So let's put this image. Let's just keep it simple. Let's go here, choose image. Okay, next stop. I just took this one. Let's go here. So yeah, that's very much it. Now if you don't have any balance, that's fine. I'm gonna show you. I don't have any balance here whatsoever, right? And you can literally just launch a coin without having any balance, but when you are about to launch a coin, it would ask you to buy just to save yourself from the snipers. But it's totally up to you. I would suggest you buy your coin, a small amount of your coin. Don't go for more than 3 to 4 souls. People think that it's a huge amount, unless you have any plans of burning the coin. But if not, then just move forward with it. And yeah, if you really want to make your coin go up, you need to just work on it without even putting anything. And once your coin migrates to Radium, you're gonna get 0.5 Sol. That's amazing, right? So yeah, this is where they have mentioned that once your coin completes its bonding curve, you can receive 0.5 Sols. It's almost $80 US. And now we're gonna click create coin, and it's gonna ask you if you want to buy your own coin, and we don't. So if you do, then yeah, of course, if someone's tried to snipe your coin, you will be the one who can dump on them, because you don't want anyone buying your coin for big money, right? 2, 3, 4 Solanas, like it's too much. If someone is buying more than you have, that's something that they're trying to. No, nobody wants to do that. They're trying to CTO, like they want to try to take over the coin. If you have done really hard work on the website or Twitter, XYZ, and Telegram. So let's just create this coin. I'm going to show you. It's simple. Just press create. The coin is created. Let's go here and check our coin. Yep, we have it here. We have the ticker USAs, and So nobody's buying our coin since we have just put random links. But yeah, if you buy your own coin, people would come and buy it. But it's super easy to just create a coin and not buy it. So it doesn't cost you anything. But now you have your own coin. You can copy the contract address. You can go to SolScan. You can go and check. Yeah, your coin is there on blockchain. It shows, but yeah, and people are going to come and look at it. That okay, the developers here. So if you have Telegram and you're sitting on the voice chat, people are going to come try to talk to you, and if you satisfy them with your project ambition, then yes, they will buy your coin. So this is super easy. There's no rocket science. You can make a lot of money. You can help people make a lot of money. And if you really have something in your mind that you want to do for long term, you can actually create a coin and work on its utility, work on an animation. Remember, Twitter is the number one thing that you need to have. So make sure you make your Twitter account. And yes, if you're not getting a lot of people buying your coin, you can actually use BumpItBot. That's the website. Use this bot, put some SOL in it, like just the ad fee is 0.2 SOL, and just put some extra, and it's gonna make bot buy and sell your coin at in one single transaction. So it's gonna buy and sell, and that's by that you're gonna get your coin on top page. So if you go here for bump order, these are the coins that are on the first page. Why? Because these coins literally are having transactions going on. So people who do go and live stream, and I would say if you really want to do it, just go and click live stream, and people can talk to you. There's going to be a chat here that you can read, and there's a bunch of other things that you can do. But if you really want to do it, just go with the Telegram and just try to do it. Use BumpItBot. If you're not getting transactions, it's going to help your coin go up. And once you complete your bonding curve, regardless of if you bought your coin or not, but then you're gonna get 0.5 souls from Pump.Fun, which is it's really good, which is good. You can make some money back. So yeah, that was it. Good luck on creating your own coin, and if you guys have any other question, just drop a comment and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Great, good luck, bye.